Good to see you, baby. It's been a long, long while. We're both a whole lot older and we've seen a lot of miles. But things are really different since the good old days. And you've been in some trouble, so we went separate ways. We'll have to say hello maybe some other time instead, because you're wanted by the police and my wife thinks you're dead. Somebody spread the rumor that you lost your life. Well, that's the way I heard it, and that's what I told my wife. And here showing up again and talk is getting round, and I can see that one of us will have to leave this town. If you think I want trouble, well, you're crazy in your head, because you're wanted by the police and my wife thinks you're dead. You never called a road, you just up and disappeared. Well, no one knows what happened. Where you been for all these years? In trouble's what you're looking like, in trouble where you been. And I can see the kind of trouble you could get in the end. You better pay attention now to every word I said, because you're wanted by the police and my wife thinks you're dead. Goodbye to you, baby. I'm glad we had this talk. You see, I'm faithful to my wife, and I no longer break the law. And I don't know where you're going to, but I know where you've been. We've reminisced, now let's just go our separate ways again. Go find another ex-sweetheart to hang around instead, because you're wanted by the police, and my wife thinks you're dead. And that, folks, is a true story.